Lakeland STEAM and Recreation Center. So we were very excited to welcome everyone today and to really just start this new chapter and what's possible for our students and to begin the next phase of the work with this partnership.
So you have two incredible partners here working with Baltimore City.
We had dollars and we had people who wanted to help. But what we didn't know is how. And so we reached out to UMBC in a fantastic partnership that had already existed. And the UMBC partnership with Baltimore City Public Schools was already in place.
This morning I came very early because I wanted to talk to these students. I wanted to hear from them. And that's what this day is about. It's about our generation for the future, and it's about our community. I also came because I wanted to talk to the parents. 3 years ago, I met members of the PTA. I met members of the community who talked about this great community. And they said, Sandra, there's great minds here. We just need the resources. We've got a great principal, we've got great students, and we've got great parents. I made a call to a guy by the name of Dr. Freeman Rabowski. And he said, Sandra, I just need Northrop Grumman on board, and we can make great things happen. Today is a great thing. Today is what our headlines should be about in the news.
Choice, not chance, determines destiny. Choice, not chance, determines destiny. One of my young colleagues just challenged me and she said, yeah, that's true, but what about the child who doesn't have the chance to make a choice? There is the ineluctable question, all right? I challenge us to give these children that very chance so they can make the choice. Thank you all very much.